So this is what it's doing, making all this grinding noise. Looks like something is stuck in the motor or something. Let me know if you know how to fix it.